Sir, please start recording. Yes, meet by let's first fold our hands together and recite the Lord's Prayer. Our Father, thou art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those that trespass against us. Lead us not unto temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever and ever. Amen. Namaste. What in me is dark, illumine. What is low, raise and support. That to the height of this great argument, I may assert eternal providence and justify the ways of God to man. Namaste. Very good noon to all of you. Venerable Principal Dr. Nagar sir, respected teachers, and my dear friends. I, Aditi Dave, welcome you on behalf of our Sri Dhirendrabhai Mehta Postgraduate Center of English. It is a very good day of our Sri Dhirendrabhai Mehta Postgraduate Center of English, as today we are starting our semester 1. As you all know, this is our very second batch. We have started our postgraduate center in 2020-21. Our Sri Dhirendrabhai Mehta Postgraduate Center of English is affiliated to Bhakt Kavi Narsingh Mehta University, Junagadh. It is an initiative by Rajaratna Shreshti Sri Nanjibhai Kalidas Mehta, Arya Kanya Vidyalaya Trust managed Gurukul Mahila Arts and Commerce College, Porbandar, with the vision to uplift girls from their fossil background and train them smartly enough to meet the fast approaching challenges of global competence. The mission statement of the institution is time-tested traditions plus tide of talent is equal to modern India. The objectives are to develop the inherent academic potential of the student, to promote career opportunities for students, to inculcate self-reliance among students coming from the rural and weaker section of the society, to promote the Vedic traditions in keeping with the cultural philosophy of the Arya Kanya Gurukul Trust, to create responsible citizens and to provide a blend of Eastern and Western value systems. So now, with these few words, I would like to invite our respected principal, Dr. Nagar sir, to address all our teachers and students. Please, sir.
Yes, thank you very much, Aditi. I can see, some of our visiting faculties have joined. Our students, some of our students of SEM1 who have got admission, they have joined. We have our very senior faculty members. So thank you for joining. As Aditi, our senior mentor, has mentioned, this is the first day for the SEM1 students, and we thought that it would be a good idea if all the seniors can come together, all the faculty members can come together, and somewhere as we launch the first semester, it's important to have a very, very clear idea as to how exactly we operate at this center, how and what are the timings, what is the methodology that we adopt. So there is on the WhatsApp group, you would have noted that we have already worked out the paper distribution. I'm sure all of you would have already seen that, but then just for sake of reinforcing the point, we would, again, yeah, Pawan sir also has joined. Namaskar, Pawan sir. A very, very warm welcome to Sri Dhirendra Bhai Mehta,
Pranam, sir.
coordinator. We are taking time of your, hour. This hour is allotted to Pawan sir. But then, since Pawan, I just was sharing with the other faculty members and students that since this is the first day, it's important, just to have a very clear idea as to how we are going to go about. So you would find that you have 5 papers, Janvi and Rekha and Kajal and, the students of the first semester will note that the first paper we have Deepak sir. Deepak sir, as you would see, he has also joined, with us. Deepak sir, would you please, put on your video so that we could have your discussion, students could see you.
Yes,
Yes,
good
sir.
afternoon
Yeah.
to everyone, sir.
Namaskar, Deepak ji. Thank you so much for joining.
Namaskar. My
Deepak
pleasure, my honor, sir.
He is, in fact, he was, Pawan, as you would also remember, he was one of our former PhD scholars who did wonderful work. He is now an assistant professor with Sadhguru Mahila College at Rajkot. With, we have very rich faculty members. And this paper, Deepak sir, you will be sharing with Kethi Madam. Kethi Madam
Sure, sir.
is already a faculty in Gurukul Mahila College. And the students would take note of that the first paper is shared. 2 units would be taken up by Deepak sir, and 2 units would be taken by Kethi Madam. Thank you very much, Deepak, and I'm sure you would enjoy teaching to the students. The background,
Yes,
the backdrop, of course, all of you are familiar with that students come from the far-flung and the remote sections of the society, and therefore a lot of attention, has to be given. And, as per the guidelines of the government, we are still continuing in the online mode. And, it has been raining, the last few days. There is some respite today, but then we would continue in the online mode till we have further directions from the university and the government. So moving on to the second paper, which is Literature in English 1660 to 1798. I'll be taking part of the paper. I'll be taking care of 2 units. And we have Dr. Nayan sir. Dr. Nayan sir, I'm sure all of you already know, but then I'll request Nayan sir to please manifest himself. Nayan sir, would you please switch on your video for a second? And, I'm sure, we'd love to have you person. Namaskar, Nayan ji. Thank you so much for taking up the responsibility. Pawan sir, Deepak sir, all of you would be happy to know that, Nayan sir has been with Gurukul Mahila College, for over 2 decades now. And, he has been, teaching at the postgraduate level for, I'm sure, since 2006, if I remember it correctly. You could correct me, Nayan sir, if I'm, going wrong on that. But then we are honored to have your services. The institute, is so happy. The same one students would note that, the second paper I'll be sharing, 2 units I'll be taking care of, and Nayan sir will be taking care of 2 units. So that's 102. Coming to 103. Thank you so much, Nayan sir. 103. We have Literature in English 1798 to 1832. We have again 2 teachers. Dharitri Gohil, she is an assistant professor with LD Engineering College, Ahmedabad. She'll be taking care of unit 2 and 3. And Pawan sir, Pawan sir who has just joined, he would be taking care of units 1 and 4. Pawan sir, I would request you to please, switch on your video for another second. I would want the students to see you. Pawan ji, he is a gem of a human being. You see, he is into so many things. And one of the requests, Pawan sir, I was getting from the same one students that, we would want some guidance on net and slit. And I immediately remembered, Pawan sir, that there could be no better person to guide you on the national level competitive exams. The students still remember, 3 years back, Pawan sir, when you had come to the college and you had shared your expertise both in the Prarthana Mandir and with the TY students. Now who are in the third semester, Aditi is in fact was a part of that group, and now she, of course, she's mentoring the students. So thank you, Pawan sir, for taking care of these two units. Sir is the deputy registrar with Parul University, at Baroda. That's a big city, known for its culture and traditions. And, I'm sure our students are very fortunate to have Pawan sir's expertise. Moving on to 104B, comparative literature. We are going to have Dr. Harin Madam joining us. Harin Madam, I'm sure all of you are familiar with Harin Madam. Again, a scholar in her own right. In fact, she has contributed immensely to the, to the making of the Department of English, Gurukul Mahila College. With decades, over 3 decades of experience. She was also a former principal of the college for some time, for a very brief period. She's known also for creative writing. I'm sure all of you would really enjoy studying under her. She'll be taking care of 2 units, and of course Satish Keshwala, who again is a gem of a student. He is a visiting faculty with the Gurukul Mahila College at the moment, and in fact he's taking care of the scope module for the first year students. So that's comparative literature. And finally, the 5th paper, of course, is Indian English Literature 105A, which of course would be shared by Dr. Poonam Joshi, and I'll be taking a couple of units on that. So students, this is, the entire framework. You have 5 papers, and you have a total of 10 teachers, and what we are trying to do is trying to give you the best of exposure, the best of expertise. Some of these teachers have been associated with me for a long, long time. In fact, decades of experience, with decades of experience, I'm sure you would have the right mentors and the right teachers in making a successful career, as students of English language and literature. Now, very quickly, I shouldn't be intruding much into Pawan sir's time. It is his lecture, but then just to make you familiar with the rules and regulations of the center, we operate from 1 o'clock till 5:30, right? That's the entire duration. Please note that we are operating as a university department, right? We have hour-long lectures, that is from 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. And then there is a short recess from 3 to 3:20, and then from 3:20 to 4:20, and 4:20 to 5:20. 2 hours before the break and 2 hours after the break. There are certain activities also that we have organized on a couple of days. Our mentors would be discussing with you. There is provision for library hours as well. But then this more or less, is the framework. We operate after the undergraduate classes get over at 12:50. And the postgraduate classes commence from 1 o'clock and they continue till 5:30. For the teachers and for the students, please note again that every unit needs to be covered in a maximum of 15 lectures. That's how, we are trying to give you more than the university prescribed guidelines. Teachers would be giving you 3 assignments, for the portion that they are going to take care of. It is left to the individual teachers, to decide, the sequence of assignments. But then there is provision for PowerPoint presentations. There's provision for chart making, written assignments, written tests, MCQs, as per their convenience. But then the rule is that we should have 3 assignments of 10 marks each. So, of the unit which has been allotted to you, 3 assignments, would be required. The students would note that very carefully, and then of course, we'll take out the average for allotting you marks. One of the very important things, which is the hallmark of the postgraduate center of English here at Gurukul Mahila College, is that regularity is something that we insist upon, right? This is a professional program that you have chosen. This is a professional. Masters in English is a professional program. And in order to have a grip on the language, in order to have, understanding, and appreciation of literature, it would be mandatory for you, and it would be essential for you to be regular, and you'll get bonus marks for that, for regularity, as an incentive. And of course, we would expect you to also prepare notes, so that whenever you come, for your filling up your examination forms, you could also carry your notebook just to, as a supportive gesture that you have been listening to your teachers. They have been investing so much of energy, they have been giving so much of their time, and that time has to be appreciated, and it has to be taken note of. So I welcome all the teachers and all the students, of the postgraduate Center of English, which is of course Christian after the Kul Bhrata of Arya Kanya Gurukul. It's titled as Shri Dhirendra Bhai Mehta Postgraduate Center of English. I welcome you, and I hope that you would benefit from the expertise of our teachers. And my advice to you is, do not miss out on your lectures. Make the maximum. We are out of 24 hours. We are asking for around 4 to 5 hours. That's not too much, and it is a question of your career. So do not miss out on your lectures. Thank you very much. I would want to thank, all of our expert faculties, our senior teachers, who have spared time today, and, they have chosen, to be a part of the inaugural session wherein we wanted to welcome our first year students, with open arms. So thank you very much. Namaskar, Pawan ji. आप सबको देख के धन्य हो गए. Namaskar. Thank you very much.
Thank you so very much, sir, for your words. Thank you so much. Now, let's have one speech of our MS Semester 3 student, Miss Parul Shukla.
Yes, thank you, Aditi. Namaste to our Honorable Principal, Dr. Nagar sir, respected professors and dear friends. I, Parul Shukla, student of MS Semester 3, welcomes you all who are present here. Good noon to all of you. Especially, I extend my warm welcome to the all professors and students of MS Semester 1. Friends, you are going to start a journey that we, your seniors, are almost on an age of completing. And I am very much happy that you choose a college which focus is molding a student's personality along with education. Friends, just a year ago, I was waiting for this journey which you are going to start today. And when I learned that our Gurukul is going to start a PG center, believe me, there was a peak of enthusiasm, happiness, and excitement. And I am sure that you all are feeling the same. Yes, I also know that there is a fear or confusion in your mind and heart, but believe me, it will be a journey of milestones, a journey of achievements. Our principal sir and professors are also there to guide and support us. Friends, degree is not just about learning, but it goes along with virtues and qualities and the skills that develop your personality. And I am sure that you will get all of them from here. So friends, take a commitment and determination. Don't hesitate to take challenges. I guarantee you, what you will learn from here will definitely worth virtue, and you will remember the Gurukul as a memorable landmark. Surely, this is going to be the best journey full of knowledge, growth, and ultimate success. Again, I heartily welcome you all in this Tapobhumi. Welcome. I am very much glad that I get a chance to welcome you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much, Parul. Your words are from your heart, so it was Too nice to hear you. Thank you so much. Now, Miss Rajal Piprotkar is coming for her speech. Miss Rajal Piprotkar.
Thank you, Aditi. Namaste to all of you. Today is our welcome ceremony of our MS Semester 1 students. I, Rajal Piprotkar, heartily welcome to our juniors to Sri Dhirendrabhai Mehta Postgraduate Center of English in a very pleasant atmosphere of our Gurukul. Friends, as you all know, we have a very brilliant and dedicated principal along with wonderful professors. I am very sure you will definitely enjoy your PG. I wish you all the very best for your new journey and bright future. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Miss Rajal. So, at the end of our today's welcome ceremony, it's my pleasure to thank everybody. I thank Almighty God who gives us a courage and strength. Then my heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Principal Dr. Nagar sir for his tireless efforts and guidance. I will thank all the teachers. Sir, Madam, we all are very much fortunate to have you as our teachers and many thanks for giving us your valuable time. I will not forget all PG students. Dear friends, all these efforts are for you. We have wonderful faculty and they all are here with us, even in their busy schedule. Just keep learning and growing. Do your best. God will see the rest. Thank you one and all. Thank you very much. So now, at the end of this meeting, as per our Gurukul tradition, let's chant Shanti Path. Om Dyo Shanti Antarikshagum Shanti Prithvi Shanti Rapah Shanti Roshadayah Shanti Vanaspatayah Shanti Visve Devaha Shanti Brahma Shanti Sarvagum Shanti Shanti Reva Shanti Sama Shanti Redi Om Shanti 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 Om. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू अदिति पवन जी अब हम लोग इजाजत लेंगे आपसे और वी विल लीव यू विद द स्टूडेंट्स टू टेक केयर ऑफ देम एंड be seeing the first year students in the third hour. Okay, thank you everybody once again. Namaskar everybody.
Pranam.
Pranam.